I've decided to do a short review on the rigid 16-gallon wet and dry Shop Vac. This particular version has a leaf blower attached to the top. I haven't actually used the leaf blower setting. I do know it blows pretty well whenever it's sucking up dirt and everything else. So I was just doing some planing with my wind planer, and I didn't have a bag in it or anything. I just had a HEPA filter installed. Dude, look at how full that thing got. It didn't slow down suction at all until it got completely filled up. I'm gonna try to do this where I don't get stuff everywhere. Yeah, I'd say this thing's a beast. I mean, look at that. That's all cedar. So I'm gonna bag that stuff up and try to get a little bit of cash out of it. Ain't gonna be a whole lot, but a couple bucks or something like that. I figure by the time I'm doing all my cedar work for my cabinets, I'll probably have a good contractor bag full, or maybe a couple contractor bags full. Still have a few more cedar boards to clean. And I got a little stack over there, and I've got a couple cedar boards here and some other boards over there, and I got a whole stack of cedar boards up in my shed. So I mean, I'm going to be using a lot more cedar boards for all these cabinets here. What I'm doing right now is just putting paneling along this bar side, and I'm going to put probably walnut or something down here because it's going to be a footrest. The red cedar, I mean, it's not exactly the hardest. I may still put red cedar down there. I'm not sure. I'll do some hardness test on it and see if it's going to be a lasting material or not. And in my bar top here, I'm also going to put either black walnut or red cedar. I'm not sure. I just think it's going to be too much red cedar if I decide to do everything in red cedar. So I'm going to try to mix it up a little bit. So, all right, guys. I just thought I'd do a quick review on that. And that thing's definitely a beast, man. Thank you. Rate, subscribe, comment, whatever you'd like to do.